Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're getting ready to head off to the National Farm Show located in Louisville, Kentucky. We're going to be down there from February 14th through February 16th. And we'll predominantly be floating around the main exhibition hall, but we'll probably migrate into some of the other areas. So here are some highlights from last year. Now this year, I'll be wearing my new Born Farm Tough shirt with the WTFarm Girl logo on the back, as well as Eric. So you should be able to find either one of us floating around, but we have a couple of little surprises planned for anyone at the farm show. So be sure to stay posted for upcoming videos, and if you're at the farm show, just waiting for the magic to happen. So be sure to stop in and say hi. If you're wearing your WTFarm Girl hat, you'll get a free 5x7 photo signed. And I'm really hoping it's gonna be a little bit warmer than it is here. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. I might have a couple live videos posted too. So make sure you are subscribed and have your bell turned on. Thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you soon.